Today I'm introducing what I think is the best biryani in Singapore. And I've never done a video here due to a very selfish reason, which is I didn't want it to get too crowded. But you know, I've been making plenty of biryani videos recently and I just feel like I cannot ignore this place. Today I'm meeting the owner and getting access to the kitchen and learn how biryani is cooked here and why it's so delicious. All right, we are here, Mr. Biryani. Good to see you, good to see you, good to see you. All right, so this is the owner, Mr. Govinda. So he reached out to me because I've been constantly saying like Mr. Biryani is my favorite biryani, but I've never done a video here, so it's finally happening. So I'm a big fan of biryani. I actually cook my own. I might ask a lot of technical questions. If that's
Sure,
okay
no
for
problem.
all right.
Ready. A lot of places when they take biryani, beautiful. They don't even know how to scoop the biryani. You can see the biryani all over. They just scoop, 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 scoop. Actually, there's a technique of using a specific spoon. See, I never break my thumb. So when you take like this, and this is how the plating is done. So you don't break the rice.
Yeah, so this is something a lot of people don't know. The basmati rice is actually very fragile, right?
Yeah. So cooking is one part. But handling the rice is the most critical. The time that you soak the rice, you wash the rice, how gentle you handle the rice. The scooping, right, mixing the masala and the rice is another 40% play part in the flavor. It should be like this way, bottom to up. Not like cut the rice. Boiling really later, this one later.
Oh, so these are everything that goes inside his biryani.
This is our signature biryani masala and methi leaf. Methi is like a dry fennel seed leaf. You see here, the whole spices. Cinnamon, this is sa jeera, then this is mace. We call nutmeg flour, but it's not a flour. Actually, it's remove the skin of the nutmeg seed.
Now he's marinating the meat, the chicken, ginger garlic paste.
Green chili paste. This is our guntur chili. Tea leaf, green tea leaf, yeah.
Turmeric.
This is our coriander powder. This is our garam masala. This is our biryani masala, we add a little bit. And salt. Lime juice, fried onion, fresh coriander leaf, fresh mint leaf.
Now they're mixing it. Adding some ghee.
This clarified butter.
Clarified butter, yes.
Clarified butter, yeah.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
1 liter of yogurt go inside.
So were you always a chef?
Never.
Oh, no.
I never a chef in my life. I work in the hotel in the operation manager. I came out, started my own catering, and I work in the kitchen last 16 years.
How do you learn to cook?
Hands-on and work.
Did you actually visit Hyderabad and
Yes.
India? Oh,
I visited Hyderabad, I visited Bengaluru, Chennai. I went for a biryani tour. I tried various biryani.
How would you say your biryani is different from the real Hyderabad?
Okay, I noticed biryani in India, it will be very controversial if I say it. And I noticed that all the best ingredient from India is being exported out. So I noticed Singapore, you were able to get better spices than even in India because cost factor.
The water is ready. Wow, smells so good already. It goes to rice.
Yeah.
So it's gonna go directly over. Wow, look at how he spins it.
Rose water, kevra water.
So this adds the royal aroma and the flavor.
Yeah.
Because biryani used to be the food for the
Rose
royal.
water and kevra water.
And that's the garam masala. And here goes some fried onion. Here goes like the third or fourth layer. Can't wait to eat. While waiting for biryani, let's check out the menu. So the price is actually higher than some of the biryani I introduced in my channel. It's $50.90 for chicken biryani. Usually I like to order your prawn curry. What is it called?
Gongura prawn.
Yeah, yes, correct.
that's
Yes, this one. Gongura prawn. I always get this here.
A lot of it later.
The best timing to eat the biryani is when it's finished, right?
Yes.
So like after like 3 hours, the aroma will be gone, right?
Biryani best eat within 2 hours from making. That's why we do small batches. Or you go like normal biryani house, they make one time big pot, they leave it all day until finish.
Yes, correct.
Right, okay.
All right. Oh, smells amazing. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Whoa. He has his flipping technique. Wow. Wow, the smell is really insane. Wow. How does he do that? Wow. Here goes some egg, tomato, cashew nuts sprinkled, coriander and mint, and finally some fried onion. Wow, amazing smell. Alright, here it is. Okay, let's do the smell test again. Oh, the aroma is amazing. Very strong cardamom aroma, and the mace also. Okay, let me just dig in. Cheers. Whoa, hold on. Somehow one of the rice went inside my nostril. How did that happen? They do the rice really well. I tried a lot of biryani in Singapore, but one of the best. It's not too wet. It's not dry. It's just nice. It's fluffy, but it got some firmness as well, and so much aroma. I love how it doesn't feel too greasy. You can just keep on eating. Wow, this is insane, really. And the chicken is always at the bottom. Wow, that's tender. The chicken also very tender, juicy too. Really nice. The chicken is so tasty. I just love the different layers. See, you see the white parts, orange, the red part, some dark brown, and just so many gradation of different flavors, you know. And that's the beauty of biryani. Let me try the raita. Nice, very refreshing. This is the one with like sesame and peanut, right?
Sesame, peanut, yogurt.
Put it on my biryani. Oh yes, I love this. The gongora prawn. Wow.
How's it okay?
Very nice. Prawn cooked to perfection. So sweet, huh? Alright, thank you. Round two. Yes. So Govinda offered me a refill, and of course I can't say no to that, right? Cheers.
55922120.
Well, that was so fun because, you know, I'm into cooking biryani and I feel like I learned a lot. So I think, yeah, this is still my favorite biryani in Singapore. So definitely give it a shot. I'm still gonna look for something better if that exists. So let me know your recommendations. Yeah, so the journey still continues. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, guys. Goodbye.